Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today we are going to show you how to modify an XML file step by step so you can make changes easily and efficiently. Step 1. Open the XML file with Notepad. Right-click the file, select Open With, and choose Notepad. Notepad is a simple text editor available on all Windows computers, and it allows you to view the raw XML code clearly, which is essential before making any changes. Step 2. Review the structure of the XML file carefully. XML files use tags to organize data, and understanding the hierarchy of elements helps prevent errors when editing the file. Click the Save button to save your changes. Step 3. Open the XML file with Excel. Launch Excel, go to File, then Open, and select the XML file. Excel displays the XML data in a table format, making it easier to read and edit large amounts of data quickly without breaking the file structure. Step 4. Make your desired changes. Edit values, add new elements or remove unnecessary ones, and make sure the syntax remains correct. After editing, save your changes by clicking File, then Save As, and select the XML file type to avoid corrupting the file. Your XML file is now successfully modified. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tutorials.